Alright, hey guys, so it is Sunday evening. It is 1:45 in the afternoon. We got to get this thing done. We got to be done by about 4:30 because we've got singing tonight at our church. So yeah, we got a little less than 3 hours. But the car is unloaded. It's in the shop, but we don't have anything off of it. We still got the fenders on it. Still got tires on it. So we got to do the whole 9 yards to get it prepared to wash, as well as wash 8 tires. Gotta wash 8 tires. So we got a lot to do and a little bit of time to do it. So let's get busy and get to it. And I'll try to remember to pick up the camera as much as I possibly can. I'm a little hoarse today. Sound a little bit like a man, but dealing with sinuses already and then going to the racetrack last night. Put a little bit of a whooping on me, ain't gonna lie. So anyway, let's get busy and get this done. Huh?
No, you're taking them off.
You not taking fenders off? Huh?
What?
You not taking fenders off?
No.
Okay. I guess we're not taking the fenders off like we always do. Quick wash day, obviously. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. He told me to do something, but now I don't even remember what it was. So, yeah. Say hi. Hi. All right. Anyway, let's get this done. So I turned you on time lapse there for just a minute, and so you can watch me wash tires. I am really shaky now with pressure washer, so if the camera's shaky, that's why. But Brad's getting her ready to be pressure washed the car, finished with tires. Tires are already moved back in the shop. We're gonna hopefully get this race car done pretty quick and then call it a day. Wash day will be finished and behind us. So I will turn you guys on periodically, but I'm not gonna turn it on time lapse because our battery is a little bit low. That's the bad thing about time lapse, it drains the battery. So I'll show you bits and pieces of this.
Alright guys, so we got the car cleaned up. It's probably not the best wash job we've ever done. Really just tried to kind of do it as quick as possible. Just trying to get it back in the shop. We got to head to the house and go finish getting packed up for the beach. We're going to be at the beach this coming up week. We won't be racing this weekend, as we'll be coming back. Next weekend, we plan to be at Smoky Mountain Speedway. Best Plumbers 604 Series. Be our first time running with that series. Be our first time taking the new car here to Smoky Mountain. Looking forward to that. But anyways, we had a good night last night at the races. Just trying to get everything buttoned up as quick as we could. Getting everything cleaned up as the best we could. She's good enough to at least work on when we get back. There's nothing really major that's got to be done to the car. Just kind of got to go over everything, check nuts and bolts. Happy with the direction the car went last night. May go just a touch bit further with the adjustments we made to try to make it just a little bit better. But all in all, last night was a win in my opinion. I'm super happy with it. We appreciate all of you watching, all of you that have subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. We appreciate all of our partners that help us out. GetMyInternet.com, Warp Speed Performance Parts, WJI Enterprise, Barry Apparel Co., PPM Racing Products, BB Designs, Booger Brooks Racing, Bren Transmission, Bren Transmissions, Penske Shocks, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes. All you guys over here, everybody over on Patreon, I appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll catch you guys sometime next week.